when the sky grows soft and gray. No thought of shelter, no need to stay dry. Just run outside, let the mist descend. A welcome friend from start to end. Each tiny drop, a tickle, a kiss. A simple, perfect kind of bliss. Drenched to the skin, clothes clinging tight. Laughing out loud in the fading light. That chill meant nothing, just a sign. We're alive in that moment, feeling fine. Head tilted back, mouth open wide. That simple joy, nowhere to hide.
Drizzling rain used to soak me. Drizzling rain, nothing else to do but feel it fall, a steady beat from head to toe, feeling complete. Now I just watch it slide down the pain. Can't feel its chill, avoids the strain. A simple joy feels out of reach. Drizzling rain, just beyond reach.
Window seat feed, thin soft gray. Something vital slipped away. The urge to step out, let it begin, just isn't there. Beneath the skin, the thought of wet cloth, hair plastered down, brings a quiet frown, not a grin. That touch, that feeling, sharp and clear. Now it's something I don't want near. What changed inside, what got misplaced? That open wonder, clean erase. The glass feels thick between me and the fall. Can't hear that simple, joyful call.
Drizzling rain used to soak me. Drizzling rain, nothing else to do but feel it fall, steady beat from head to toe, feeling complete. Now I just watch it slide down the pain. Can't feel its chill, avoids the strain. A simple joy feels out of reach. Drizzling rain, just beyond the reach.
No blame place, no reason found. Just standing safe on sheltered ground. That feels it seems far away. Left out there yesterday. The cost of growing layers ground. Protecting something overgrown. That pure connection, right and true. I miss the way it's so through.
Drizzling rain,
Just watch. Used to soak.